Hi Genius, we are from G Technologies Lab. Introduced manufacturing of solar products. We are manufacturing solar products. Solar panel, solar streetlight, solar fencing, solar house roof, others. We have different type of wattages available in solar streetlight and different wattage available in solar panels. We have best quality and best manufacturing in my solar panels.